Hello, scrappers. Back again. Got a load. Yeah, a little more than I thought she had. She said she had that dryer and freezer and a grill, and then some little stuff. But got a file cabinet. Yeah, they said they did have that compressor. He said it runs, but it doesn't shut off, or it keeps running. So probably the pressure switch here, but I guess they tried working on it, still couldn't get it to shut off. I don't know. I might play with it. It could always be this air line being plugged up or something, and then it's not putting the pressure in there like it should. Yeah, he said this mower here runs, I think, but I don't know what he said was wrong with it. So, got no computer over there. I think the monitor's in the box. I'm not sure. I didn't look. Got an antenna hanging off here. Aluminum. Yeah. Looks like a Samsung DVD player, maybe DirecTV. Okay. And I got some coal sticking out here at the back of the truck. I even got the kitchen sink. Another antenna here, another one there. A couple aluminum chairs. It looks like a metal detector. Got the big piece there. Yeah, keyboard, a few shovel heads, rake. Yeah. So I think it's 3 folding metal chairs. So I'm going to get this unloaded, and I got to take my daughter to the grocery store to get a few groceries. And I just noticed on Marketplace, I popped on there for a minute, and someone in Blanchard has a 9.8 horsepower Mercury outboard for $50. So I sent them a message. So maybe we'll hear something back from them soon. And in the meantime, I'm going to get this thing unloaded, and we'll go from there. Oh, I think another thing I want to show you guys before I run off, before I end this video, turn some lights on here. The outboard I showed in the last video that I went and picked up at Fort Cobb, the guy told me it was locked up. So, not sure how good the light is here. Let me turn on a few more lights. I'll go over here and turn the solar light on. Yeah, it came on. Might help a little bit. But I got looking where the pull rope comes in here, kind of following it back, and I look back here to the where is it? Pull start, and the rope is all tangled up on itself. Kind of tied itself in a knot there. I don't know how well the camera's picking this up. So this thing may not be locked up after all. I don't know if that's a better view. But as you spin that, it's supposed to go up and down through the slots. That thing's kind of tied itself in a knot. So I'm thinking once I get that straightened out, this thing might turn over okay. So, yeah, I may have a good motor there for $50. Not have to put too much in it. Of course, I know this is not the right choke rod, but I guess it works for now. So, it might turn out pretty good on that deal. So there's not much change in what's going on with the wife. She's hanging in there, so about all she can do. Usually the doctor comes in about 9 o'clock or so and gives us an update, but it was 10:30, 10:40 when I left, and still no doctor, so maybe they'll come in while I'm gone or something. But I'm going to get this unloaded and get my daughter into town, see if I can't get that outboard, and then head back to the hospital. So you guys take care, and happy scrapping, folks. And thanks for your prayers, and thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.